Distinguishing non-fungible token standards. We have learnt that NFTs can be generated using the ERC 721 or the 1155 token standard. But what is the difference between these two? Well, because of the ability to generate digital assets that are completely unique, both standards are similar. However, unlike ERC 721, ERC 1155 can also be used to create digital assets that are fungible. In-game items, for example, can be identical. An NFT game collection can contain 3 unique kinds of helmets, but then generate hundreds of replicas based on those 3 helmets. This system of token distribution is ideal for gaming experience. So, essentially, the ERC 1155 combines the functionalities of ERC 20, which is for fungible tokens, and ERC 721 for non-fungible tokens, as well as having some additional features of its own. While the other standards require the deployment of a new smart contract for the generation of each new token, 1155 allows for the creation of an endless number of tokens in a single smart contract. As a result, a ton of gas fees are saved. Think of the ERC 1155 standard like a vending machine that uses a single secure interface and dispenses a wide variety of items. Awesome, there's still more to come about NFTs. Stay tuned for more videos.